going to be hosting some parties that I require balloons blown up. This is a portable air pump for those inflatables. Shockingly small, 2 ounces, pocket size, and immediately gives you, how is this real energy? But this little thing here inflates small inflatables fast. Camping pillows, pool floats, sleeping pads without breaking a sweat. It is rechargeable and cordless, so no hunting for outlets, and one charge easily covers multiple jobs, okay? It has the USB-A to C cable. It has the 3 nozzles, all right? 3 nozzles. And it will inflate and deflate. And this is perfect for vacuum storage bags and packing things down very quickly. It's very quiet. And this is not for high pressure jobs or gigantic air mattresses. It's for camping, travel, pool days, balloons, and it's ridiculously small, and it replaces those bulky pumps. If you want ultra portable, very quiet, and genuinely useful, this one is small, but it is mighty. This one should earn a spot for your air filling needs. Tiny, mighty, and smarter than it looks. Proof that size really isn't everything. Highly recommend this portable air pump.